Good morning, dear students. Today we'll start fourth chapter, structure of atom. This is your last chapter. Total you have 4 chapters. Okay. So we'll start with atom. What is atom, students? We have already discussed in chapter 3 about atoms. What are atoms? Atoms, they are the smallest particle of an element. Like oxygen is an element, sulfur is an element. So this is smallest particle of an element. These all are sulfur atoms in it. A piece of sulfur, if you take some spatula of sulfur powder, if you take, these are all sulfur atoms. So what is atom? Or sodium piece, a piece of sodium if you take, it will have only sodium atoms, all sodium atoms. So what is atom? Atom is smallest particle of an element which may or may not exist freely. So which atoms exist freely? Atoms of which element? Atoms of noble gas, because noble gas, they are unreactive: helium, neon, argon, krypton. So atoms of these elements, atoms of noble gases, they exist freely, and atoms of other elements like oxygen, sulfur, sodium may not exist freely. They try to combine with, like oxygen, try to combine with another oxygen atom and form oxygen molecule. Nitrogen atom do not exist freely. It combine with another nitrogen atom and form nitrogen molecule or nitrogen gas. So what is atom? Atom is smallest particle of an element which may or may not exist freely. So atoms of which element exist freely? Atoms of noble gas, and atoms of other elements, they may not exist freely. Okay. Now next, in this chapter we will discuss about the structure of atom. Okay, complete detail. So we'll start with subatomic particles of atom. What are the subatomic particles of atom? Atoms are still made up of smaller particles. Atoms are still made up of smaller particles which are called subatomic particles of atom. So how many subatomic particles are there in an atom? 3. What are they? Electron, proton and neutron. Electron, these are negatively charged particle present in an atom. Proton, these are positively charged particle present in an atom. And neutron, it has no charge. This is neutral. So what are the 3 subatomic particles of an atom? Electron, proton and neutron. Where is proton present in an atom? In the center, inside the nucleus. Proton is present in the center of the atom, inside the nucleus. Positively charged proton. And neutron, which has no charge, that is also present inside the nucleus. An electron which is negatively charged, that revolves around the nucleus. So this is the location of subatomic particles present in an atom. Where is proton present? Inside the nucleus. And where is nucleus present in the atom? In the center. So inside the nucleus, what is present? Positively charged proton and neutron which has no charge, an electron which is negatively charged, that revolves around the nucleus continuously. This is structure of atom. Okay. Now, who discovered electron? J.J. Thomson. Who discovered electron? These are the question which is asked. What are the subatomic particles in an atom? So what are the subatomic particles? How many subatomic particles? 3. What are they? Electron, proton and neutron. Then electron. Who discovered electron? J.J. Thomson. Who discovered proton? Goldstein. And who discovered neutron? Chadwick. Then what is the proton? Electron. Electron is what? Subatomic particle. What is electron? Electron is subatomic particle. It carries negative charge, which carries 1 unit negative charge and has mass nearly 1/1840 that of an atom of hydrogen. An atom of hydrogen, one atom of hydrogen, it's how much part mass it has? Only 1/1840 part. That much mass only an electron has. Means the mass of electron is negligible, ना के बराबर है, बहुत कम है. Clear? So electron, what is electron? These are subatomic particles present in an atom which carries 1 unit of negative charge and has mass nearly 1/1840 of that of an atom of hydrogen. Means mass of electron is very less. Next, what is proton? Again, proton is subatomic particle present in an atom and it carries what? 1 unit of positive charge and has mass nearly equal to that of hydrogen atom. One hydrogen atom, the mass of one hydrogen atom, that much mass proton has. Okay. And next, neutron. Again neutron. What is neutron? Neutron is subatomic particle of an atom which has no charge. And mass nearly equal to that of proton. Means mass nearly equal to that of hydrogen atom. Proton mass is nearly equal to mass of an hydrogen atom, one hydrogen atom. And neutron mass is nearly equal to proton. Means nearly equal to hydrogen atom, mass of an hydrogen atom. Okay. So, what are the 3 subatomic particles present in an atom? Electron, proton and neutron. Who discovered electron? J.J. Thomson. Proton, Goldstein, and neutron, Chadwick. Electron, these are negatively charged particle present in the atom. Proton, positively charged particle present in an atom, and neutron has no charge. Clear?